especially if you're specified model by your professor in your courses in the sociology of the public factors. How do you to pass your previous 3 years that allowed you to reach your senior year? How do you build this balance into outstanding criminal professionals in the future?
The first question is, my professor taught me to be humble. Being humble, especially in terms of being in the highs in your achievement, is a key proponent to becoming a proper criminology. Becoming a criminology is hard. Some people might say it's easy because there is no math, but it is hard. And being humble is one of it. You are wearing a uniform that signifies in becoming a criminology. You are wearing that uniform with pride, and that comes with a heavy price. Becoming humble gives you an advantage because of the fact that many people will respect you, even if it's your seniors or your juniors. It helped me in my 3 years because this taught me that I am not perfect and I have still improvements